Angel Investing Decoded. Business financing is on the mind of most entrepreneurs, but getting the working capital you need to grow your business doesn't have to be difficult. Many companies these days turn to angel investors, and these options can work for startup ventures, but there are details you should know. How can a company get angel investing? Companies can connect to affiliated angel investors by just asking. Companies connect to unaffiliated angel investors in much the same way they connect to other people who can help them who they don't know or don't know well by cold calling, advertising, looking to business brokers, working with intermediaries, and networking. How does a company find angel investors online? Try Gust. They used to be called AngelSoft. They're at www.gust.com. They keep a database of investors, companies, and programs. Startups can also search for business plan competitions and more. Let's look at working with Gust. When you look up investment groups, the information includes a profile with information on which industries they typically fund. When you look up programs, the information includes deadlines and basic information like the dollar amount they fund. And when you look up companies, the provided information includes a profile where the founders can add basic data and a pitch video. Gust gives the search for angel investors more organization, but it's not the only way to find angels. Here are other ways to find angel investors. Entrepreneur Magazine suggests sites like Funding Post and AceNet. They also suggest trying every possible investor because being turned down by 100 investors doesn't mean the 101st will turn you down. Entrepreneur notes that angel investors will often start small, so if you can prove your concept to them and they start to see success, they might add more funding. Let's recap Angel Investing Decoded. Angels can be wealthy or not so wealthy investors. You might know them before or not. They usually want about 20% return on their investments. Angel investors are great for startups which cannot get other forms of funding. And they usually want a smaller piece of your company than venture capitalists do. Contact us today to learn more about Angel Investing Decoded.